Question A. 0.5 divided by 2. Here the dividend is 0.5 and divisor is 2. So write the dividend inside the sign of division and divisor on the left side. Then first we divide the whole number part of the decimal number. इस डेसिमल नंबर का होल नंबर पार्ट है 0. 0 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो 2 zeros are 0. 0 को 0 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करें 0 मिलेगा. अब उसके बाद है डेसिमल. डेसिमल को हटाए बिना डिवाइड करना संभव नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू डिवाइड without removing decimal from the dividend. So what we do? We shift this decimal to the quotient. Shift the decimal to the quotient. After that, write the next digit 5 down. Now we divide 5 by 2. 2 is when taken 2 times, it gives 4. Subtract 4 from the 5, it is 1. So 0.2 is the quotient and 1 is remainder. So this is answer. Quotient is 0.2, remainder is 1. Question B. Question B. 3.4 divided by 4. So divisor is 4 and dividend is 3.4. So first we take the whole number part of the dividend 3. Whole number part of this decimal number is 3. 3 is less than 4. So first we divide the whole number part. 4 is when taken 0 times, it gives 0. So subtract 0 from 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. After 3 there is decimal. So shift the decimal to the quotient. डेसिमल को क्वोशेंट में शिफ्ट किए. डेसिमल हटने के बाद जो डिजिट 4 है उसको नीचे लिखा. अब नंबर हो गया 34. 4 इज वन टेकन 8 टाइम्स, इट गिव्स 32. सब्ट्रैक्ट 32 फ्रॉम 34, इट इज 2. सो क्वोशेंट इज 0.8 and 2 is remainder. Question number C. 12.6 divided by 5. Divisor is 5 written on the left side of the division sign and dividend is 12.6. So first we take, if we take one digit, first digit of the dividend, then it is 1. 1 is less than 5. So we take 2 digits. When we take 2 digits, it is 12. 5 is when taken 2 times, gives 10, which is less than 12. Subtract 10 from the 12, it is 2. After 2, there is decimal. To remove the decimal, shift decimal to the quotient. After shifting the decimal to the quotient, write the next digit 6 down. It is 26. Read the table of 5. 5 is when taken 5 times, it gives 25. Subtract 25 from 26, 1. The quotient is 2.5 and remainder is 1. Question D. 6.05 divided by 25. So first we take the whole number part of the dividend 6. 6 is less than 25. Divisor is having 2 digits 25. So if we take the first digit of the dividend, then it is less than the divisor. So 25 is when taken 0 times, it gives 0. 0 is when subtracted from 6, gives 6. To remove this decimal number, shift decimal number to the quotient and then write the next digit 0 down. Now the number becomes 60. When 25 is taken 2 times, it gives 50. Subtract 50 from 60. It is 10. Then write the next digit 5 down. Now it becomes 105. 25 is when taken 4 times, it gives 100. Subtract 100 from 105. It is 5. So quotient is 0.24 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Question E. 11.7 divided by 6. So if we take the first digit of the dividend, then first digit is 1, which is less than 6. So we take two digits. Two digits of the dividend. This is the whole number part of the dividend, 11. 11 is bigger than 6. 6 is when taken 1 times, it gives 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Shift the decimal to the quotient. Then write the next digit 7 down. It is 57. Now 57 is bigger than 6. If we take 6 9 times, it gives 54. 6 9s are 54. Subtract 54 from 57. It is 3. So quotient is 1.9 and remainder is 3. Question number F. 12.06 divided by 12. So when we take the whole number part of dividend 12, so 12 once is 12. Subtracting 12 from 12, it gives 0. Then shift the decimal to the quotient and write one digit 0 down. Decimal shift करने के बाद एक एक डिजिट को लेंगे. तो फर्स्ट डिजिट है 0. 0 को नीचे उतारा. Because we have written 0 down, so it is necessary to divide 0. 0 हालांकि 12 से छोटा है, लेकिन चूंकि इसको नीचे लिखा है तो डिवाइड करना जरूरी है. 12 zeros are 0. Then write the next digit 6 down. Again 6 is less than 12. So 12 zeros are 0. So quotient is 1.00 and 6 is remainder. Question number G. 9.2 divided by 16. So write the divisor on the left side of the division sign and dividend inside the division. First we divide the whole number part. In this dividend, 9 is the whole number part. So first we divide 9 by 16. But 9 is smaller than 16 क्योंकि whole number part में 9 अकेला है और 9 16 से छोटा है. इसलिए 16 0 टाइम्स लेंगे. 16 0 times 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. After this, shift this decimal to the quotient and write the next digit 2 down. It becomes 92. 16 is when taken 5 times, it gives 80. Subtract 80 from 92. It is 12. So quotient is 0.5 and remainder is 12. Question number H. 3.75 divided by 6. Whole number part of dividend is 3 and 3 is less than 6. So 6 is when taken 0 times, gives 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then shift this decimal to the quotient and write the next digit 7 down. The number becomes 37. 6 is when taken 6 times, it gives 36. Subtract 36 from 37. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Write the next digit 5 down. Now the number becomes 15. 6 is when taken 2 times, it gives 12. And difference of 15 and 12 is 3. So quotient is 0.62. This is quotient and this 3 is remainder. Question number I. 8.5 divided by 17. So whole number part of this decimal number is 8. 17 is bigger than 8. So we take 17 0 times. 17 0 times gives 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Shift this decimal to the quotient and write the next digit 5 down. The number becomes 85. 17 5s are 85. Difference of 85 and 85 is 0. So quotient is 0.5 and remainder is 0. Question number J. 14.4 divided by 12. 14 is the whole number part of dividend. So 12 is smaller than 14. When we take 12 one times, it gives 12. Subtract 12 from 14. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So first shift this decimal to the quotient and then write the next digit 4 down. Now the number becomes 24. 12 is when taken 2 times, it gives 24. Difference is 0. So 1.2 is the quotient and 0 is remainder.